Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to sell bundles on Raket.ph. So this is a great way to increase sales by offering multiple products together at a discounted price. So whether you are selling sticker packs, skincare sets, or digital and physical product combos, I'll guide you through everything from setting up your account to creating a compelling bundle offer. Let's get started here. So here guys, first you need to do here is to head over to www.raket.ph and click on sign up, and there you can continue your account through your email or connect it depending on you. And once you are logged in, you just need to visit this one and tap on this Racketeer dashboard, and here you'll be able to see here this one. So in this video we are focusing on this one guys, so you just need to tap on this one, and here, so here guys, most important part here guys is to set up your seller profile. So there you need to add your profile picture, your shop name, your short bio about your products, and set up your payment and shipping details. So here you can see here different kinds of options. So tap on this product because we are going to add a product right now. So here guys, we have different kinds of products here, so you can choose digital or physical here. So add new product, and here you can choose here if you want to use their template, but don't worry guys, you can use your own, like you can start from scratch. Just need to tap on this one, so here you can choose depending on you if you want to go to digital or the physical. So here in the physical guys, is this requires shipping. So here I'm going to type here, for example guys, so this is just an example disclaimer, so still the name will be depending on you. So here just be descriptive guys. So here we are going to go to physical goods because we are going to have the product, the t-shirt. So here, and then on this description part guys, make sure that you list the included items with details like the sizes, materials, and the benefits. So here I'm going to put here my description. That's it. So I have here the fabric, so you can double check it guys. So you can see here in the description it is mentioned that it is bundle. So here the most important part here is the featured photos. You can add up to 10 photos guys to your product. So here I'm going to add here my product, so this will represent your product during ordering something. So here you can upload it on your computer or paste the URL in here to embed it. So make sure guys to indicate good quality, like show the full bundle and each item separately guys. But here I'm just going to upload this one, but on your case you need to upload each item separately or depending on you guys. So here I'm gonna add here the pricing. So on this Raket.ph guys, the maximum pricing guys is 100 and above. So here you can have here your quantity, which is you can set it like limited or unlimited, which is you have always a stock for this one. And here is the quantity. So here I'm going to choose here the quantity, so indicate how many bundles you have available here. And here in the variant, so this is just optional guys, still depending on you. And then here in the setting your price, you can choose here, you can put after order or set a price here. And then here you can, depending on you on setting your price and the instruction to customer guys, you can also add here like take a video while unboxing because it is very important guys because some of them will report something and at least they have evidence for it. So here, and then here they can also choose the pickup option, and I think I'm gonna make it free because they are going to like get it from me like that, or here. And if you're good to go guys, you just need to save and publish, and that's it guys. While right after that one guys, once a customer places an order, you will receive a notification, and of course you need to prepare the bundle carefully so you can use branded or eco-friendly packaging and then ship the item via your chosen courier like GMT or the LBC and the Grab Express. And of course, right after that one, you mark the order as shipped in your Raket.ph dashboard and send tracking details to the buyer. And here guys, in promoting guys, you can share your bundle listing on your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and online groups. So here, it is very important guys on responding to customer inquiries. So here guys, respond to inquiries quickly to build trust, address concerns and resolve issues professionally. And then once the buyer confirms receipt, your payment will be available in your Raket.ph account. So you just need to withdraw funds to your GCash, bank, or other preferred method. And here, so you can see here guys, you have different options here like the analytics where your Raket Ship insights and report, and then your affiliates, which is this one, and here is the order and tracking, and your wallet is here. You can view all your payment guys. And that's it guys, now you know how to create and sell bundles on Raket.ph, offering product bundles in a smart way to increase value and boost sales. And if you found this tutorial helpful, of course don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips. Comment below if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching guys, and happy selling on Raket.ph. Bye!